In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the margin calculator on Etrade from Morgan Stanley. If you're looking to manage your investments more effectively, understanding how to use this tool can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Etrade account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all the essential features Etrade offers. Next, navigate to the Portfolios tab. This is where you can view all your investment positions, and it's a critical area for managing your trades and understanding your financial standing. Once you're in the Portfolios tab, you'll want to select the Margin section. This specific area provides a detailed view of your margin account, which is essential if you're trading on margin. Within the Margin section, you'll find the Margin Calculator option. This is the tool we'll be focusing on today. Go ahead and open it up. The Margin Calculator is designed to help you understand the potential impact of your trades, whether you're dealing with calls, puts, or any other investment positions. Now, it's time to choose the strategy you want to analyze. This could be anything from calls to puts, or even more complex positions if you're feeling adventurous. Once you've selected your strategy, it's time to enter your trade details. This includes the underlying stock, for instance. You might enter SPY if that's what you're working with. Don't forget to include the strike price as well as the number of contracts or shares you're planning to trade. These details are crucial for an accurate calculation. You'll also need to select the expiration date or the expiration window for your position. This helps the calculator give you a precise understanding of your trade's potential impact over time. With all the necessary details filled in, click on Calculate Impact. The calculator will process the information you've provided and give you the results you need. Once the calculation is complete, you'll be able to review several key metrics. These include your margin equity, maintenance requirement, maintenance excess, SMA, and marginable securities. Each of these figures provides insight into how your proposed trade could affect your account. Understanding these numbers is vital for making informed trading decisions and managing risk effectively. And that's how you use the margin calculator on Etrade. By leveraging this tool, you can gain valuable insights into your trades and ensure you're making the best decisions for your investment strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!